Hello, you're welcome to Regular Achievers Educational Limited, presenting Royal Tutors. I'll be taking through a topic pressure in fluids. What do you mean by fluid? Fluid can be referred to as liquids and gases. Okay, now we have a diagram that demonstrates or describes the movement of the gas particles. That means gas particles move freely in which they collide with each other and exert pressure on the wall of their containers. Now, one of the factors that affect the pressure exerted by the particles of the gases is temperature. That is, if you increase the temperature, increase in temperature leads to increase in pressure caused by the collision of the particles of the gas. That is, there will be more collision because the particles move faster now. As you increase the temperature, the particles move faster and they collide with each other and then move to exert more pressure on the wall of the container. Another factor that also have effect on the pressure of the gas particle is the volume of the container. Now, I'll be giving you an exercise on this aspect. The question is, what is the effect of the volume of the container on the pressure exerted by the gas particle? So I will expect you to submit your answer at the comment box. Thank you.